Hello viewers and welcome to my kitchen, Richa's Aromatic Kitchen. And today's recipe is Aalo Matar Pulow or Indian rice with potato and peas. In a pot or in a cooker, add 2 to 4 tablespoons of ghee, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, cloves and bay leaves. Saute it for a few seconds. And add sliced ginger, sliced onion, sliced potatoes, mix it well. Now add spices, half tablespoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, salt as per your taste, kasturi methi, 1/4 tablespoon of cloves powder, half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Saute it for a while. Add peas. I used frozen peas here. Mix it well. Now add good quality of rice. I'm using basmati rice here. Add water. I have taken 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. Cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles. I learned this recipe from my mom, who learned it from her mom, and so on. And one of the most loved and frequently cooked pulao in every Punjabi homes, which is called as Matar Wale Chawal in Punjabi. Let the pressure settle down on its own and then open the lid of the cooker. Gently fluff the rice and serve Aalo Matar Pulow hot with raita or with salad or with both. This pulao is best for your lunchbox, picnic, potlucks and always. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Richa's Aromatic Kitchen for more recipes. Till then, bye bye.